Okay.
Hands are gonna get dirty. Yeah, it's oily. Just hold it. No, touching it with the gloves. Hanggang bumagsak dito.
Small steps to.
Gloves na. You can let go. Gloves are dirty. No. Lift first. Get it.
Let's do a fail.
Slant mo na ulit. Slant baba. Ikaw there. Oh, there. Yeah. Okay, that. Okay. See?
The glasses. Alright, Patrick, remove all that stuff.
Yeah.
Everything.
Go, ready? Go. Lauren, you got it?
Ready, move that. The couch.
Okay.
The stool here.
Pivot! Where? Pivot!
Pivot. No
Yeah, it
choice.
was your mom here.
Just remove this.
Na may,
What is that?
May template siya na papel para alam mo kung saan mo mag-isip.
Oh, okay. Then we have to buy that.
How to take out
New one.
a microwave.
Bring up the piece. Gavin wants to vlog with you.
Oh, you want to vlog? Okay.
Take it off, put the
What are you gonna say?
Yeah, this one we might have to take this out. So magbibigyan ng bago.
Okay.
You have to talk.
Yeah.
Say hi, guys.
Everyone.
Hi guys.
Oh, is it?
Far.
Ayun yan.
Howdy, buddy.
We're gonna go to, where are we going? Home Depot? To get a new
Costco.
microwave, well Costco, but get the microwave in Home Depot and I'm gonna have to install it ourselves. We can do it. We can do it. Yes, we can.
I'll pick it up with the glove.
What is it? The dead what?
It looks like a cricket. Looks like a cricket or a moth.
Like a dinosaur.
It's a cockroach.
Cockroacha?
Cockroach.
7:05 siya.
This is not the microwave aisle, people.
By 7 para ka hindi na late. I know I can take a video of chick chick. How about how good it is? No. That's 17. Oh no, what is ours? Yeah, this one does matter because it's a file.
And the hook.
How many? 16? It's fine.
The 16 that's
Oh, it's 30. Are you sure it's 35?
36. Okay, so we find the hood now.
Just find the hood.
No, it's over there. Oh, no, it's over there. So we're gonna get this.
I'm professional cameraman.
Alright, so update guys. The microwave that we're looking for is discontinued. So we're gonna have to just get a hood, the vent, the exhaust, and we're just gonna get a
Yun lang, right?
over-the-counter or countertop microwave. We tried. Magic Chef is, well,
Magic Chef is good.
that was my fridge that
Broke.
after like 3 years, you know.
But this is it.
Yeah, but I mean, where is Lowe's?
Let's go though. No, next to it.
Okay, let's go.
Yan kundi, may target naman. Yan may
Yeah.
target.
We're going to Lowe's.
Ano yung target naman?
We're going to Lowe's. Home Depot trip fail.
Kind
Oh, maybe Lowe's has the
of the
thing, right?
Run to the toilet. Toilet, Mom.
Well,
Run
you
to
saw
the
that
toilet.
36-inch one, right? The hood. We need the one I showed you, right? But that one's like we need property brothers.
Oh, this game.
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Oh.
Home Depot toy review. This is Eco Smart, so I recommend you buy this because I just want to say it.
Moving into a new house. House hunting at Lowe's.
Oh, tiny living, no mortgage. I can live in here.
Live in a back house. Yeah.
I'll live in the backyard like 50
you will.
and then just in the back. Ma, here comes the couch. You made it chin.
Window.
Yeah, here's what there.
Wait, where are you gonna get the cable? Yeah.
Table where you're gonna charge your
I just need
phone.
Wi-Fi. It's close to the house. That's all you need is a Wi-Fi.
Then you can convert na nabubuksan yung mobile ko kayo.
That was my baggy okay.
Enta. Christmas already? Christmas? Merry Christmas. So it's Christmas at Lowe's, Home Depot, not so much. So no? There's none? There's none? This is 30.
Yeah.
I guess that's a fail again.
Show me the fridge.
What?
What? Okay, so you can see what's
Oh
inside
no, it's
without
gonna
opening.
explode.
Oh, Samsung.
Take a selfie. Okay.
That's my key.
Oh, is it like a Samsung phone?
Watch YouTube?
It's a big tablet.
YouTube?
Gabby's gonna be in front of the fridge, YouTube too.
Oh no, Wi-Fi, mama. No, Wi-Fi doesn't.
Oh, but are you gonna waste energy if you watch Netflix in there? Hulu? Fire Stick? So what? What's going on?
We
I'm
really do
confused.
use the microwave a lot. Just don't know it. That's it? That's the only
Patrick. Patrick. Patrick.
What happened when you searched that microwave? 45 minutes?
No, Patty.
Oh, free camera. Oh. Andito ba yung... Do we still have eggs? Oh man, there's no more baked desserts. Oh.
Bye.
You see, I want to get all of those. But it's the after. That's the problem. I don't want to store it. It's Christmas. It's Christmas time in the city. Okay, we are now at Target. And I think battery's about to die. Battery's about to die, you have to decide. My battery's dying. Okay, well, we're gonna get a microwave now. I think we're
Black
just
Decker,
gonna
or
buy
how
a
about
hood,
G?
right?
One thing. There's another one.
Third time's a charm, so you have to pick something here. Thing's about to die, so.
Sorry.
Okay, sorry guys, I don't have a spare battery.
Pineapple band.
How come sometimes the battery dies right away and then sometimes it's like right now?
One this way. Go back. Cash it.
Okay. Alright, bye guys. See you later.
Wait, it has more. What is different?
The other one has more.
The other one is only one.
It's just newer.
Brand new
No, the other one
microwave.
has only 2 buttons. You can press
So we couldn't find anything for this, so this is what we got.
You're just excited because this
Everything
No,
works.
no, yeah.
Oh, we can see the time again.
Yeah.
Okay.
I can watch a movie now and not burn anything.
I'm over here